Ali found an old, yellowed letter inside a pile of his grandfather's books. His heart raced as he opened it. The faded ink revealed a message written years ago but never sent. "Forgive me. Leaving you was my mistake, but I have always remembered you. If possible, come see me once." Ali was shocked. He rushed to his grandmother and showed her the letter. Tears welled up in her eyes. "This was meant for your grandfather's old friend, but it was never sent." Determined to deliver the letter, Ali searched for the recipient. After days of effort, he finally found him, an elderly man with a trembling smile. When Ali handed him the letter, the old man's eyes filled with sorrow and joy. "If only I had received this earlier." This story teaches us that some words, if spoken at the right time, can change lives.